Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the default opening view to Calendar in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load your emails and give you access to all of Outlook's features. Once you're logged in and your inbox is visible, you're ready to begin making this adjustment. Now, to change your default opening view to the calendar, navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This will open the File menu, which gives you access to various account and application settings that control how Outlook behaves. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom section of this menu. You'll see an option called Outlook Options. Go ahead and click on it, and a new Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This window contains all the customization settings for your Outlook experience, and it's where you'll make the change to your default view. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed there, and you need to click on the Advanced tab. This section contains more technical settings that let you control how Outlook starts up and behaves when you open it. Under the Advanced menu, you'll directly see a section called Outlook Start and Exit. This is exactly where you need to be. Within this section, look for the option that says Start Outlook in this folder. You'll notice there's a field next to it that currently shows a folder name, likely your inbox by default. To change this default opening view to your calendar, click on the Browse button next to that field. This will open a new window presenting you with your complete folder list. From this list, locate and select Calendar by clicking on it. Once you've selected the Calendar folder, click OK to confirm your selection. Finally, you'll be brought back to the Outlook Options window. To save all the changes you just made, simply click OK at the bottom of this window. That's it. You've successfully changed your default opening view to the calendar, so from now on, whenever you launch Outlook, it will open directly to your calendar view instead of your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.